peeps, Candace here with Cam's Only One Life. I have these tapestries that I was using for journal covers. And you could use it this way, or you could make a larger journal and use it this way. So I've got these kits, and this is number 21, journal kit number 21. And so what I've done is I've just gone through all my goodies. Actually, that doesn't belong there. Every package will get some of these glassine butterflies. Okay. Every package will get a library pocket full of ephemera, so I'm just going to sort of show you what is particularly in this one. Okay, and they're all different, but I'm just going to show you the first one because I'm not going to have time to go into detail with all of them, but you can see that it's got lots of goodies in it. Okay, and then here's a heart. Just some little postcards that you could cut out. Here's another package of ephemera, a larger package. It's got dictionary pages. It's got this tree tally card, guest check, just a bunch of pictures and goodies that you might want to use to make pockets and such. Okay. This is that. Then here's another little pocket full of, it's got a card and some library pockets. These are vintage envelopes and vintage glassine envelopes, and some actual postmarked postage from all over, kind of fun. Okay. Okay, and then we have this little charm. You're going to get 2 of these little button material. Here's the other packages won't have that one. This is like a little ticket kit. This was made by Linda Lopatka, and I've had it for years and years, since Your Paper Pantry. So I thought I would put that in this one. This, which keeps unraveling on me, just some seam binding on a little tag. Okay. Every package will get some cigar bands. Every package will get some, these are clips, paper clips with little bits of ribbon on them, and you clip them on different pages and get some stuff sticking out so it looks cool. And then these little ruffles that you can use like a band if you just glue both ends and leave the center out. Then in your journal you can stick something in there like that. Okay, so every package will get some of those. This particular one has some hand dyed papers, and then these other pages, because there's no signature in this one, you'll have to make your own signature. But this is number 21, and you will get all of this as a kit. Okay. And then I'm going to include a yard or so of this really cool yarn that's all different colors, hand spun yarn, and then a wide piece, 1 yard of wide ribbon to use if you want to use it as an enclosure or a tie around the outside. Okay, so that is number 21. So this is what number 21 looks like. Okay, number 22. This one is going to be a smaller set. It's just going to be this gorgeous green tapestry. Okay, this signature. Okay. And a little bit of ephemera. And a charm. Some of the emerald green, hand spun ribbon, yarn, and then a couple of links of sari ribbon for ties if you choose to use them. So this one is going to be cheaper because it's definitely a smaller kit. It is number 22. Next we have number 23. The tapestry on this is about 9 by 6 1/4, so if you put it in half, it's going to be about 4 1/2 by 6 1/4. Okay, pretty tapestry. Okay, this one comes with a pre-made signature if you choose to use it. And you have all of the regular stuff, the filled pocket, this filled pocket, it's all the same stuff. Some of the clips, some of the ruffles, cigar bands, and then on this one I'm also adding this flower, pink, and also the acetate butterflies and wings. Okay, so there is that kit. That is number 23. Okay. Oh, I forgot to show this one for the last one. So this is the end of the number 23. Number 24. Number 24. This is about 8 3/4 by 6. So I'm going to write that down. 8 3/4 by 6. Okay. And it also, let me show you up close though. It's really pretty. So you can do the fold in half, or you could use this as a cover for a larger one. Okay. Here is a signature to go with it, if you choose to use it. And then again, and then you have the acetate, the large pack of goodies, the small pack of goodies, the library card full of stuff. Okay. The cigar bands and the clips and the ruffles. Okay. So hopefully that's everything for number 24. Next we have number 25, and we have, these are the larger ones. We have some signatures to go with it. Okay. that one, this one, okay, and then this one, which has some really cool hand-dyed paper in it, or it might not be hand-dyed, but it's cool. Okay, so there's 3 signatures. There is all the same stuff as in the others, the ruffles, the clips, and the cigar bands, the small thing of goodies, okay, the library pocket, the large package, okay, and I've put a little extra stuff there. There's also a charm here, okay, charm, okay, so all the same stuff. The glassine bag, glassine, and then this bag of goodies, okay. And I want to show you now the tapestry itself. This one is 21 by 8.5. Okay, so it's pretty large. And my recommendation is to maybe do it in thirds like this, or create a pocket by sewing this along here and then folding it, or creating 2 pockets and making a little bit smaller like this, okay? This or this. Okay, super pretty. This one was one of my favorites. And it's just time to let it go. That is number 25. Okay, that's kit number 25. And then I have one more, and that's all I will have for tapestries at this time. I have a few that I decided I'm going to keep and try to make something. This is what number 23 looks like all packed up. So you can see it's a pretty hefty package. Okay, number 26. And this tapestry is 21 3/4 by 9 1/4. This has a lot of that deep indigo, purpley blue in it, which is some of my favorite of these tapestries. But that has a bunch of colors in it. So again, this one I would either make a pocket and then fold it over, or make a pocket here and use this as the front, or do a tri-fold where it just folds over and holds on, or 2 pockets this way, okay? Either way. Okay, so this one has, let me put this aside so you can see it again. This one has 3 signatures as well. This one with the butterfly on it. This one. I paid a friend, an old friend of mine, to make these signatures, and she got a few done and then she kind of gave up. So I paid a lot for these. I feel like I paid a lot for these. Here is a tag. Okay, it's going to go in there. Put this postcard in the other one. Put that in the other one. Okay, this one also comes with a little dangle. Okay. And then all the other stuff that's pretty much the same. This one doesn't look to have any things in it, so I will put some in there. I will put some of these in there because they're not showing. The library pocket with goodies in it. Here's an extra pocket. Put that in this kit. Here is the large bag, okay, of stuff, and some extra pages here from this old book that I have. Okay, that will go in. And then these usual baggies that I had in all the others, including the glassine. Okay, so fun. These are great. Okay, so that is number 26. These will be in the store by the time I post this video. So thanks for watching. Thanks for helping me destash things, and also to raise money. So thanks a lot. Have a great day. Link is below to get to the store.